A little cool out this morning. So, good part of this will be down today, somewhat manageable. That switch is set up the same as 7810. No, this one's different. Okay, yeah, this one's different. They don't come near the switch as much as this on the 7810. But yet it still goes right down to the same little guy there. You'd really run my butt off if this was corn, Pete. Damn. I'd never get done coming to you. I wouldn't have a chance to catch a break. That would be pretty neat. Just run my flipping butt off and no time for a break. But we'd have to buy a bigger grain cart. This one does all right, but I'd be running my butt off. Did you run one through?
No, I stopped and got it off before I did.
Oh, okay. Deerfield Farms farms that out there, or right on the other side here. So yeah, this is the back of the 84 acre field. Building is kind of right in the way of our field, but I don't know what the heck building it is, or I know it's got something to do because it's interfering with the CB. Getting there. I'll stop up here again and I'll blow it off whenever I'm loaded.
Come this way a little.
Are you empty enough to where I can look at this real quick? I guess we're gonna just stop right here.
Go ahead. If you want, just stop, shut it off, and clean it out.
Okay. Oh. Shut the lights out so I don't run the battery dead. What the heck is going on here? Holy crap. Daggone. Man. Thing was almost running hot. It's a good thing he said so. That soybean dust is thick, man. Holy crap. When we get up there to the Dodge tonight, or in the morning, fire the old air compressor up and blow this thing out really good. There ain't really any good way to blow it from the outside, let's see, from the inside out. There ain't really no good way of getting in there to take care of that, so just do the best we can with what we got. Holy jumping. I bet you even into part of the night, this thing would have overheated. There. Ain't too awful bad. Take the air hose to it and blow it out the rest of the way. Ooh-wee. Dirty, dirty, dirty. At least I don't think it was overheating. And it was getting up there. But it's a good thing Pete caught it. Half a take and air compressor in the morning, blow the radiator out on this and that combine, Pete, while we're waiting for stuff to warm up.
Oh, I plan on blowing all this out.
I'm just going down here to get ready, because you always unload on this side because of that low side on that side. So that would be on this side, the combine. Make sure I give him enough room to get turned. I know you guys are gonna say, why don't you go buy Midland two-way radios? Well, I tell you, we don't necessarily, our two-way radios are, I think, 10 or 20 bucks a month for Motorola two-ways. And that's why we don't have them. We like CBs. We like CBs a whole lot better because they're cheap. The only problem is you might have a microphone go bad once in a while, or an antenna, but
Yeah, but you could go around the other way if you wanted.
like all the way over to the road.
Well, just wait. I'm gonna go around here. When I go back, I'm gonna keep opening up. Just wait there.
Okay.
Did that cool down now?
Yes, sir, by 2 bars. So what I was saying was, you might you might have an antenna go bad, you know, that's roughly, you know, 50 to, I think 50 bucks. Depending on what kind of antenna you want though. I'll do a video about that upcoming. But, you know, CBs are free. You know, you don't need a license for them. They got all kinds. This is the most popular and the one that gets out the greatest, Cobra LTD 29. You pair that with Road Pro CB coax cable and a Wilson 2000 trucker antenna, you'll get out a maximum of 2 to 4 miles with this radio. And you don't need a license, so that's why we run CBs. We got 2-ways in the loaders, but that's just to go to the scale house, and that, a couple dump trucks got 2-ways, but you know, for the most part, you know, guys come in, they got CBs, so we just, you know, stick with CBs because the loaders got CBs, you know, our dump trucks, so we just figured the heck with it. We'll put CBs in the combine and the grain cart. So that is why we don't run 2-way radios in our grain cart and combine. Yeah, is that tough? Holy crap. It's all that mare's tail. I can smell it in the cab. It's got a kind of a sweet smell to it for those of you that can't smell through the camera. Yeah, is that tough? Holy crap. It's all that mare's tail. I can smell it in the cab. It's got a kind of a sweet smell to it for those of you that can't smell through the camera. Also to keep in mind too, when the sun goes down, ooh-wee, do they get tough. Like instantly when the sun goes down, do they get tough. Beans can't take the coolness wet like corn can. Really, really green right in through there. Wow. We just keep on plugging away for tonight. Yeah, that is tough, just by the way it's coming out of the machine. Yee-wee. It's the road that leads to home. Ooh, I better just hang back. Yep, still clunks, but it don't clunk in any other one. sir. It did not. Okay, now I can pick up the pace a little bit.
Bert, you might as well just come up here and we'll flip around. And I'll unload it to you, and then you turn around and go dump it off.
Okay. I tell you what, I don't know if the camera, what I'd started to say before he cut me off was, you guys ever just stop and look,
I'm going good. How you doing, Jason?
look one way, and then
There you go.
you look back the other way,
What you think I can get out of it?
you see,
What's that?
How much do you think I ought to get?
then you see it
How much
getting,
did you get?
there's still daylight over there. You think, man,
I don't know. How many quart is it?
another day done. So yeah,
Is that slamwood?
just look at that.
Now this is
How cool.
regular trees that I cut up.
Yeah, I don't
That
know.
is cool.
Not prime, but it'll be ready.
Another
to
day
cut
done.
Or burn any day.
Now we're done once the truck's full, so we will, I guess, go ahead and end this video. We'll see you guys tomorrow morning back out here at the 84-acre field. Stay tuned, guys. Hope you're enjoying these videos, because I know I'm enjoying making them. And that's it. Cab is locked, tractor's right here, and he's just topping off the semi. We'll see you guys in the morning. Okay, I'll admit, you get delusional at times when it gets dark out, but we're done for the night. Oh, I'm tired. Let's see, does this thing have lights when it... There's the switch. Where's marker lights? I guess that's them. Nope, that's headlights. What the... There, we don't need headlights, just marker lights.